I know it's a shock. Here I am. But you don't care that I'm here. You care about what I have in my box. So we'll just get right to it. Ta-da! I'm just kidding. There's something inside here. Ta-da! It is, a spindle and wool combo. So this is kind of different than anything we've ever done before. Usually we do either this by itself or this by itself. But for this time, we decided to do it as a bundle. So it would be really great for people who are just starting out. If you have a friend or family member, a loved one who has said that they want to learn how to spin, but they don't really know where to start, this would be a great opportunity to fill their stocking with something that they've been wanting to do, because this is exactly where you need to start. So we have got this super cool Woolery branded checkerboard spindle. It's got really nice weight to it. It's not too heavy, but not too light, which is really important when you're beginning to learn how to spin. Because of course too light just is difficult to deal with, and too heavy is also difficult to deal with in a different way. So this is a nice mid-range weight spindle, which is super cool. It comes in this neat little bag. And then we have got the Rosie's Cloud Top, which is just an extraordinarily easy wool to spin. It's not super coarse, but it's also not super fine. Again, it's one of those things where having it be right in the middle is really kind of critical for learning, because if it's too fine, then it becomes a little bit too, I don't know, it's just really difficult to deal with when you're learning. And then of course, too coarse is also really, really difficult to deal with. So this is right in the middle, really pleasant to spin, spins just kind of, spins for you almost. It's super nice. So you'll get a big, huge, hefty bag of this, and then you'll get this guy to spin it with. So if you are interested in starting, or if you know someone who is interested in starting to learn how to spin, this is a great opportunity for you. 25% off for the whole big bundle. So check it out on this coming Friday.